Hey guys, Donnie here from Be More Wild, and we're going to be talking about the shemagh, how to tie it military style. So let's get cracking. Peekaboo. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious, Donnie. Hey guys, Donnie here from Be More Wild, and we're going to be talking about the shemagh. We're going to start with the military style, which makes you look a bit like a warrior, a bit like a ninja to some people. It does keep your face nice and warm. Just be careful when you're wearing glasses though, sunglasses in the summer and stuff, or glasses in general, because they steam up massively. So it comes in different sizes. This is a 3x3, you can get a 4x4 one, which is even bigger. Similar patterns, you'll see these similar patterns. This one I bought from Miltech. So what we need to do is we're going to fold it in half. But we're going to fold it in half diagonally, so it's this way, like this. So you want to aim sort of 3/4 lengths across. I use this marking normally, and sort of just past my ear, just sort of works in my head. Find your own way, but everyone's heads are different sizes and stuff, but it should be round about right. One side is longer, one side is shorter. So you're taking the short side, coming under your chin, and just placing it side of your head, like so, and keep it held there. Looks good already, doesn't it? Looks like I'm ready to go. Right, and then you take the longer side, you're going to bring it across your face, like so. Bring it round, if you can hear me, round the back, and now you're going to tie the two together, like so. Get it in, tie it once, and if you can get two in, you should be able to. Bigger ones you definitely can. Tie it too, and then you just need to readjust how you want it. But you can pull bits across, readjust it. I mean, this is quite high in my hair, if I'm stylish. You can do that. And this is the military style. As you can see, your head's covered. You can bring this right over if you wanted to. That's over your forehead still. Your head's covered, ears are covered, mouth, everything's covered, nothing's coming in. Your neck is covered, so what you would do if you had a t-shirt on, you'd have all this tucked into your jacket and stuff. So now, no cold air is coming down your shirt into your body, because when you, in winter, you notice the cold will find its way up your trouser leg, or down your trousers, up your shirt. So that's why you always tuck things in winter. So there's no way for air to get in. I even sometimes tuck my thermals into my socks as well, to limit that as well. But yeah, see, all protected. There's the knot. There you go. And if you need to breathe, bring it down, open face. You can carry on talking, and if you need to cover your mouth for any reasons, do that. You want a drink, like your coffee. Easy as that. Hopefully this video has helped you use the shemagh for the first time properly and in a way that's going to benefit you, especially during the winter. I use it in summer. On a recent trip to Brazil I used it, and I'll be using it throughout winter as well. It really does honestly keep you warm. Just try it, set it up, put it on, sit in your room for an hour, and suddenly you'll be like, I'm hot. Yeah, it won't take an hour, it takes about 2 minutes to get hot, but yeah. If you want to see more ways you can use a shemagh, as in style wise on your head, then please give me a thumbs up and I'll make more shemagh videos for you. If you want to see what else you can do with shemagh, as in other uses besides clothing, then let me know as well, and we can go through little tutorials for that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, speak soon, stay wild.